What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best robot mops in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save some money and still get a product of solid quality, we say check out the iRobot Braava Jet 240, the best budget robot mop in 2022. We're looking at a useful and functional floor cleaner, offering 3 different cleaning methods: wet action, dry action, and floor washing. The precision jet spray feature enables a precise and well-calibrated spray, dissolving even the most stubborn dirt. The final removal of dirt happens by passing a cloth placed on the bottom of the device. It's necessary to use a different cloth for each type of cleaning, like dry, wet, and washing. Thanks to its small size and sphere shape, this model can reach all corners of the house, including the spaces under the furniture, and in the bathroom and the corners near the toilet. The iRobot Braava Jet 240 is powered by a battery you can recharge by simply connecting the device to its dedicated charger. This floor-sweeping robot flawlessly cleans all surfaces in the house, regardless of the material they're covered with. In fact, its iAdapt 2.0 navigation technology allows it to navigate a predetermined cleaning path. In addition, the special sensors allow the device to remember the obstacles within the apartment and systematically avoid them. It does not offer a wireless connection of any kind, but its cleaning possibilities are excellent, and it works practically silently. There are 3 types of iRobot patented cleaning cloths that work with Braava Jet 250J: white for dry cleaning, orange for wet, and blue wet wipes. You can opt between reusable and disposable versions. For the listed price, we're thoroughly impressed. Up next, we present the Samsung Jetbot Mop, the best value robot mop on the market in 2022. We're looking at one of the most unique designs we've ever seen. The 15-inch wide robot uses 2 disc-shaped water tanks, called a water supply kit, attached to cleaning pans to move it across the floor. And while most robotic cloths perform this simple operation, the Jetbot also serves as a handheld cleaner. Easy to use and affordable, it is a convincing alternative to more sophisticated robotic cloths. Preparing a Jetbot for cleaning requires very little effort. 2 pairs of pads are included in the mix. Microfiber pads are better for wiping smooth floors, while the thicker white yarn pads are ideal for absorbing spills and extracting dust from cracks. Jetbot doesn't have the ability to mop rooms, so it cleans in a seemingly random pattern of straight, diagonal, and zigzag movements, using its smart sensors to avoid walls, furniture, and drops. Samsung does not offer a Jetbot Mop control app, but you'll get a dedicated remote control. In addition to automatic cleaning, Jetbot offers 7 other modes that you can activate from the device's remote control. Some, such as Edge and Focus, allow the Jetbot to clean along walls or deep clean areas of concentrated dirt, which should be familiar to you if you've used a robotic vacuum cleaner. Other modes such as Step and Figure 8 clean in unique patterns that are probably the most suitable for spaces larger than the kitchen and bathroom. You can also control the Jetbot manually using the remote control buttons. Grab it by the handle and press the power button twice quickly, and you can use it to clean bathtubs, shower tiles, windows, and other surfaces. Thanks to the double water tanks, you get as much as 50 minutes of operation. With its dual-purpose capabilities, this model will reduce how often you have to remove the cloth and other cleaning supplies, which is worth recommending. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. If you don't hesitate to spend a few dollars more to enjoy a top-quality product, we especially single out the Roborock S7 Plus, the best high-end robot mop available on the market in 2022. Have you heard of automatic robotic vacuuming stations? They're an accessory that replaces the charging station that came with all models so far, and serves both to charge the battery and to set the start and end point of the cleaning cycle. The station's special feature is that it hides a tank that absorbs all the dirt that the robot collects every time it returns to it, so it doesn't have to be emptied by hand after each use. And one of the first to join this trend is Roborock, with its S7 Plus, a package that combines the S7 robot and a brand base that self-empties. It has a rounded shape, and in its upper part is a dome with LiDAR sensors, which are used for positioning and navigation. In front, 3 control buttons allow it to be used independently without a mobile phone. They're used to start cleaning, send the vacuum cleaner to the charging base, or activate the localized cleaning function. In short, the most basic functions. The device has 2 tanks, one for dust and hair, which is accessed by lifting the top cover of the robot, and another one for water, since this robot also washes. It has up to 4 different ways of vacuuming and is very fast and quite quiet, and also detects carpets very well. The device allows you to adjust the amount of liquid during each cleaning. It has technology that makes the cloth vibrate up to 3,000 times a minute to remove dirt from the floor. Does it work? We must say that yes, it is capable of removing major stains. The Roborock S7 Plus is one of the best in terms of navigation and features offered by the Roborock app. So in addition to creating a map and the ability to send it to clean your areas you want, it's possible to see where the robot is at any time and what it's already cleaned. It has a good capacity. Depending on how many times a week it's used and the dirt on the floor, the device easily lasts a month without being emptied. Roborock claims that allergens do not escape, thanks to the built-in filtration system that captures 99.99% of particles up to 0.3 microns. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it. And here we are with the Bissell SpinWave Robot, the runner-up best robot mop on the market in 2022. We're looking at a floor cleaner that covers all the basics. As the name suggests, there are 2 regimes, and the mode is determined by robotic accessories. The dust cup puts the vacuum cleaner in dry mode, and the cloth attachment puts the robot in wet mode. The vacuum cleaner itself is short enough to fit under your couch, kitchen chairs, and even the plates next to your kitchen counters. These are all pleasant surprises. There's only one physical button that allows you to turn the robot on or off, while double tap brings the robot back to base. To run all other modes, you need to go through the app and connect. In addition, 3 suction powers are available: low, medium, or max. The app allows you to remotely launch the robot, send it back to base, and make a weekly schedule. At the end of the cycle, the user can access the cleaning history and examine the duration of the cycle, the distance traveled, and the number of cycles performed. The dust collector is in the form of a cassette, closed with an allergen filter that must be disconnected to empty the collector. The water tank is very easy to fill, thanks to its wide opening. Water and detergent levels are clearly indicated, but what thrilled us was the pace at which it passes through the rooms. Like the iRobot Roomba E5, this model is a beast that encounters obstacles without any problems. SpinWave can easily remove stains from sugar, oil, and carbon. Cleaning the residue on hard surfaces or carpets is easy, thanks to the powerful suction of the brush with rotating edges. This device is one of the quietest robots in our comparison. In suction mode, it gives 54 decibels in standard mode and 58 decibels in the stronger mode. The device can last almost 2 hours of cleaning in standard mode. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, we present the long-awaited gold medal and the title of the best overall robot mop available on the market in 2022, which goes to iRobot Braava Jet M6. This model has 2 cleaning modes, wipe and dry sweep. The first moisturizes the area to remove stubborn stains, cooking grease and dirt. The other one uses electrostatic force to trap dirt, dust, and pet hair. The Braava Jet M6 robotic floor mop is equipped with a large 450 milliliter water tank. This capacity is ideal for washing multiple rooms and large spaces. Water is sprayed evenly on the surface that should be treated. The surface is properly cleaned, and after passing the device, only a trace of moisture remains. The device cleans your floors without spraying furniture, carpets, or walls. For best results, it's recommended to add a little floor cleaner. It also delivers good results for cleaning corners and edges. Indeed, the product's square shape allows it to slide perfectly into corners. In addition, its cloth extends below the entire width of the robot and thus approaches the walls. iRobot Braava Jet M6 uses the V-Slam navigation that works with a camera on the front. Thanks to this technology, your home is managed in a structured way. The robot cleans and maneuvers following the designated lines. As another advantage, the Braava Jet M6 uses the Imprint Smart Mapping System. Just check the layout of your home and create personalized maps. This technology allows you to choose the parts to clean. In addition, you can tell your robot to stay away from certain areas or objects with limited zones. All folders and settings can be configured from the iRobot Home application. The Braava Jet M6 has 3 buttons on the top. This allows you to control your robotic home assistant without an app or voice assistant. The functions include the Spot Clean mode, where a small area around the robot is cleaned, then the Clean mode to stop or start cleaning, and Home mode in which the device returns to the charging station. This robot can be controlled from your smartphone via Wi-Fi network. In addition to the mobile app and buttons, the Braava Jet M6 robot works with voice assistants. It is currently supported by Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.